Welcome to Coffee and Carving. And I, I, I think this may be the most important video I've made because uh, um, it shows a little of my frustration and what I want to help you guys avoid. This started out, I couldn't decide what to carve for you guys, and I just picked a geometric pattern that I thought was kind of cool, and I thought, look, I'm going to figure out how to turn this into a carving. And this is what it is. And it really doesn't look a whole lot like I had pictured in my mind. And I started it yesterday, this video, and I just was frustrated with myself. It wasn't looking like what I wanted. And I don't know. I think I had it pictured these boxes kind of setting on top of each other, and I wanted these to go down inside there at an angle, And I mean, I guess they do, but it just wasn't what had pictured. And I just kind of quit on it. I said, I just don't think carving's not working for me today. That was the complete wrong attitude, and that's what I want you guys to take away from this thing is, look, this is carving practice. This is just on an old guitar body. It's nothing. It's practice. And it doesn't matter how much I carve, how much I carve every day. This isn't about that. This isn't showing you what I can do. That's what I forgot. This channel isn't about me showing what I know how to carve. This is your channel. I want it to be to show you guys the joy of carving, and to do that, this video is important because if you watch it, I'll speed it up, of course, but you're going to see me go through the process of carving this pattern, and you can almost just sense my frustrations of not getting it what I want it to look like. And the thing is, keep carving, keep going. You're learning stuff, you're practicing, you're getting better with your tools. Don't just stop out of frustration. Keep pounding away at it. This is what I ended up with, and if I had some sandpaper, I could probably clean this thing up because it almost makes me want to put color to it now. And I don't know. I don't know, guys, but I want you to take away from this video. This is for people who are trying to learn to carve. Keep going. Something will happen, and you will start to see something that you like. And if you just keep carving, so what? If the thing doesn't turn out, this is practice. It's keep going anyway. You've got better with using your tools. You've got better with everything. Nobody's going to see this anyway. And if it turns out to be something fantastic, show it off. But may finish it off and show it off in your place. But don't feel the pressure of it. I feel pressure of thinking I have to carve something that's just gorgeous, for you guys. That's not what this channel is. If you want to see the pretty stuff I do, look at some of my shorts and that I have on the channel, and they're all show finished products that I do at work, and that's not what this is. This is your channel. This is to show you, give you the tools. It's not to show how perfect I can do something. This is to show you how to use your tools, use your imagination, and go. And I forgot that. And once I realized that this morning, I came back down. I got my coffee and I started and I finished it for you guys. I mean, to show you, don't give up. There's probably a million things you could do with this thing yet or keep going. But anyway, out of all the videos that I've done, this is one of the most important if you watch it, to see the process that you go through. And I don't want you to go through to get frustrated like I did. I want you to keep carving. So anyway, I'll speed this up and let you take you through the process. And I just want you guys to not give up. I won't give up if you don't. Um, enjoy the video and have a fantastic day. Get your tools out and carve something.